Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about how to get free Nitro on a new account. Discord often partners with companies like Epic Games, Xbox, SteelSeries, and YouTube Premium to give out free Nitro trials. Check Discord's official blog or social media for announcements about these offers. Sometimes Xbox Game Pass Ultimate includes a free 3-month Nitro trial for new users. Some services like SteelSeries GG, Crunchyroll, or even PayPal have previously offered free Nitro trials. You need to subscribe to the Nitro option. It'll open a Discord website, make sure to log in. It offers a plan that starts at $2.99 per month. Nitro Basic costs $2.99 and Nitro costs $9.99. After that, click on Gift Nitro shown at the top. You can choose the Nitro plan by paying a one-time charge of $9.99. Next, click on the Select button and select the payment method. Finally, enter the card number, expiration date, CVC, and name of the card. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.